It's head gasket time again. Alright, give me my prop. Looks pretty good. I noticed some bubbles coming up in the reservoir there. So it was the early stages of it. And the other two dukes I had to replace the head gasket, so I know it's coming. I can make it better. The speedometer on this thing is broken, and I'm not sure of how many miles are on it. There's a ridge. I guess maybe a couple 100,000 K on this. There's no scuffing, no lines, maybe little ones right there. Nothing you can feel. So that's pretty good. Happy with that. And the plugs. Let's show the plugs. Plugs are all like that. Might be a little on the lean side. I'll check the injector on the throttle body. Comes out with a Torex. I've never cleaned it, so that's something I can try. Runs pretty good. I noticed the one of the plugs, I've cleaned these up. One of the plugs had exhaust gases coming up onto the porcelain, and I noticed it wasn't that tight, and I cleaned it up, put it back in, and I've got a little bit more power. And no ring wash. I'm going to check for ring wash when you pop head off. If you got there's going to be carbon on top of the pistons. I've cleaned these obviously, and if you got a clean area close to the rings, well, it's bypassing the rings and getting up into your cylinder and washing the carbon off. So I'm good there. And the head was really clean actually. I want to port match it to the gaskets. Let's have a look. Minimum there, a little bit there. These ones are pretty good. And I'll go over the casting, the water jacket casting. Clean it up. I can get in there, hit it with a pressure washer, scrape it. If there's any reduced flow. Yeah, so pop the valves out, polish them up. It's actually really clean. There's the carbon that was on the exhaust. Just a white haze. It almost, I don't know, like I say, it looks like it's run on a little lean. Like a little too clean, if you know what I mean. I mean, look at the ports. Look at the exhaust port. Yeah. Pretty dang clean. We can open her up a bit. You don't want to lose velocity. Just clean it up. And it's more off of the sealing of the port I want to concentrate on. You know, it's rough casting. Oh yeah, you know, it's got the stamp there. I can knock that down, and the guide boss, I can relieve that a little bit, help with the flow. Yeah, it's really clean. And the rockers don't have any sightable wear there. Well, if you going to take it apart and do a head gasket. Might as well tune it up a little better, help with the flow, and polishing the valves. Well, carbon won't stick as easy to a polished surface. Okay, let's start on that. Count all my keepers. So you pop it out to the end of its travel. That's usually where the wear shows up. Right up here at the top and at the bottom. And clean out your guide and check for slop. It feels good. You don't want to go up the stem, it'll create more valve clearance. And then you got slop. And you see the line there where it ends. And here up is the travel. Yeah, there goes the sandpaper. Now at the back face, you see the black line there? That's the bottom of the seat. And from there up, there's not much to do on this valve. Just take it down a little bit. Don't go any lower. It just smooths out that transition there. Nice file. Files are kind of old school now. Everybody reaches for the grinder. What's this, 180? I could go smoother now. Not too bad. You see that? There you go. You can sort of see where I back faced it from there to there. And then there's the seat there that I'll lap. Stone. Oh, keeper's not in. All the way. Gotta get it in there all the way. There we go. My glove. That's better. She's done. That's enough for one day. Yeah, we got some rain coming here for a couple of days, so I'm outside. Well, I could pull brown out and go in there. Might do that. Okay.